start the program, we would just like to greet our dearest President, the President of the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and the President of the Naga College Foundation, our very own Mr. Mario Villanueva. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, sound check. Hello, sound. Okay. Hello, sound check.
Ladies and gentlemen, happening now is the ribbon cutting ceremony for this year's first 18th Bicol Businessman Celebration, the Best of Bicol Tourism and Trade Fair 2022. Of course, this is spearheaded by our City Mayor, Honorable Nelson Ligacion, and the presidents of the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Dr. Mario Villanueva, and the other members of the Metro Naga Chambers of Commerce and Industry. We welcome you all to the Best of Bicol Tourism and Trade Fair 2022.
May we invite everyone to please rise for the invocation to be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem to be led by Cáceres Coral.
You may now take your seats. Let's welcome our host for today, Mr. Boots Tordelia.
Diyos marhay na agaw, Bicolandia! Alright, sa masigabong palakpakan naman po dyan, welcome to the opening ceremonies of the Best of Bicol Tourism and Trade Fair, of course organized by the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry in partnership with the local city government of Naga, supported by the Tourism Promotions Board Philippines and the Department of Tourism Region 5. So maraming salamat po sa lahat ng naririto ngayong araw, to all of our VIPs, our guests, our government-line agencies, to all our sponsors, our exhibitors, maraming salamat po. And of course, sa lahat ng naririto ngayon sa SM City Naga, welcome na welcome po kayo sa Best of Bicol Tourism and Trade Fair. Ayan, ng Best of Bicol. We are all gathered here today because we will celebrate the artistry of Bicolanos, to appreciate our rich and vibrant culture, to be proud of our roots, and to truly say to the rest of the world, we are the best of Bicol. Kaya naman po, just sit back, relax, and enjoy because we will take you on a trip all around Bicolandia. Simula po yung ngayong araw, October 7, all the way on Monday, October 10. Maraming salamat. And of course, at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to call in the man of the hour to officially welcome us all in the opening ceremonies of the Best of Bicol Tourism and Trade Fair. Let's give a resounding applause to the President of Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Mr. Mario C. Villanueva.
Good morning, everyone.
The Metro Naga Chamber.
Thank you for coming to the opening of our Best Bicol Businessman and the Best of Bicol. The 2 years that we had the pandemic really put a stop a lot of our activities in our lives, and it changed the landscape of business. But before I give my full context of my message, can we play a short video clip of what your executives and your board members have done for the past 10 months?
For over 3 decades, the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, or MNCCI, remains true to its vision to serve as the voice of business and initiate socio-economic development in Metro Naga and the Bicol region. Being a non-partisan organization, MNCCI is composed of business units representing the agricultural, commercial, industrial, and service sectors. The Chamber also opens its doors to other business associations, taking them in as sectoral or affiliate members, thus increasing the organization's membership base and strengthening the Chamber's image as the umbrella organization of business in the area. Because of its commitment, MNCCI is one of the few chambers who won the Outstanding Chamber in the Philippines Awards during its first stint. It's also the very first organization to be recognized as the most outstanding chamber in Southern Luzon. Special citations were given to different projects and lead to its Hall of Fame status. The Naga City Business Registry Data Bank, NCBRD, which aims to facilitate effective communication, improve business information data, rationalize business zoning, and keep track of business development in Naga City, is currently being replicated by other chambers. This project is openly shared to other chambers by MNCCI. In 2020, due to the widespread of coronavirus and the implementation of quarantine, the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry organized the MNCCI Hot Kitchen Project, where 1,600 hot meals were served daily for frontliners. It also helped produce improvised face shields for our health workers from the city and its neighboring municipalities, private individuals, partner agencies, and also to different business entities. Social distancing stickers were also distributed to business establishments through the help of private companies. The MNCCI submitted several recommendations to the local government that aim to improve business activities of various sectors like education and tourism, to name a few. The Bicol Entrepreneurship and Empowerment Center for Accelerating Livelihood is MNCCI's partner in the incubation and acceleration of startups in the region, led and supported by MNCCI President Mario Villanueva. The partnership guides startup founders through mentorship programs from ideation stage to production of minimum viable product geared towards commercialization. A series of roadshows in the various universities in the Bicol region were undertaken to promote awareness about startup. Members of MNCCI, along with other local businessmen, are invited to join the Bicol Angel Investors Network to bring funding to startups. MNCCI and Bicol also host quarterly networking events for investment promotion and business matching. Invited guests includes MNCCI members, investors, business owners, and representatives from Department of Trade and Industry, Department of Science and Technology, and Department of Information and Communications Technology. Executive coaching sessions are given to micro, small, and medium enterprises through the GIA coaching programs. These are offered in collaboration among MNCCI, Bicol, and International Coaching Federation, Philippines Chapter. The Chamber's committed to trade promotions is unparalleled, timely, and continuous education that affects the local economy were conducted during the quarterly General Membership Meetings or GMM. During the GMM, representatives from the local government gave valuable insights, opinions, and decisions that greatly affect the business climate in the city. Despite the pandemic, the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry continuously work in partnership with different organizations with one goal in mind. That is, to navigate the new normal safely as the economy opens new opportunities.
Thank you so much. It was mentioned earlier about MNCCI, or Metro Naga Chamber, is a game changer. But here with us, and let's all welcome the game changer of Naga City and our great leader. Let's all welcome Mayor Nelson Legacion and ang ating mga kagawad na siyang ang mga game changer ng ating ekonomiya. Alam niyo ba, when we were planning this Best of Bicol or Bicol Business Month, ang mauna ang celebration ng Peña Francia Fiesta. So there is that fear na paano after the Peña Francia, lalo na it was organized with a full face-to-face and full activity. Paano kung after the Peña Francia Fiesta magkaroon ng surge? Paano na yung ating mga plano kasunod from September to October? So todo dalangin ang ating mga leaders ng Metro Naga Chamber, and we cooperated and collaborated with our city for the successful celebration ng pasasalamat sa ating ina ng Peña Francia. So let's all give a big hand sa ating ina for taking care of us at walang surge na nangyari after the Peña Francia. So here we are, celebrating now the Bicol Business Month, which will initiate the resurgence of business here in Naga. Napakaganda ng team ngayon ng ating chairman, si AJ Guason, no? The best of Bicol. Hindi yan. Akin, best of Bicol, ako pinakita nyo. Best of Bicol, yan mga sumikat natin mga artista na mga Bicolana, kaya ito ang ating naging team. Papaliwanag ito mamaya ng ating chairman. And of course, yung puyatan, the last few days ng ating chair, ng ating Best of Bicol at ng ating susunod ng Aspire, si Ma'am Emeline Salgado, and the rest of our board, no? Pati na yung ating gusto ko rin siyempre pasalamatan ang ating event organizer, the best in Bicol din yan, si Ma'am Lian Montemayor. Thank you, Lian, for putting all these things together in a hurry. Alam ko, mabilisan ito. So with that, I'd like to welcome everyone and enjoy all the exhibits that we have and all the programs for the next 4 days, where we will learn a lot. On the second day is our chocolate show. On the third day is the Bicol Cacao Growers Association programs. And on the third day, the Kasanggayahan Festival of Sorsogon, where they will feature their culture and their economics, no? And lastly, on the October 10, Let's Read Project. Napaka-importante that even at whatever age we are, ako po ay 55 years old na. Kaya lang, dadagdagan pa lang natin. I'm 72, but I still continually read. That's why siguro sinasabi nga nila, baby face pa, kasi I'm being challenged all the time. So with that, good morning and thank you everyone. And let's make this 4-day event successful.
Alright, maraming salamat po once again to the President of Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Mr. Mario C. Villanueva, who is also celebrating his birthday today. So happiest birthday po, Pres Mario. Maraming salamat. And once again, we would like to acknowledge and to thank, of course, the City Local Government of Naga, Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and all the members. SM City Naga, of course, gusto rin po natin pasalamatan. And everyone who are here today, maraming salamat po sa mga exhibitors po natin and to all of our sponsors. Thank you so much. And at this moment, it's only rightful that we acknowledge all of our guests and VIPs who are present in this momentous occasion. So without further ado, let's call in the Vice President for Programs and Projects of MNCCI, as well as the Chairman of Bicol Business Month 2022. Let's give a big round of applause to Mr. EJM Guazon.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to express my special thanks of gratitude first to the City Government of Naga. Honorable Mayor San Legacion, thank you very much po. And of course, the members of Sangguniang Panglungsod. Special mention to my fellow director, former fellow director, Councilor Jo Perez or Tito Jo. Salamat po sa indong suporta. Councilor Lito del Rosario, Councilor Castillo, salamat po sa indo. Dahil ko na po kamo sasaro-saroon. And of course, I would like also to acknowledge the Department of Tourism, Regional Director Herbie Aguas, and of course, the Provincial Director of the Department of Trade and Industry, Provincial Director Jay Ablan. Good morning, sir. And of course, the Province of Camarines Sur, Governor Luigi Villapuerte. And of course, I would like to acknowledge also the Miss Bicolandia. Madam, magandang umaga po sa iyo. And of course, I would like to acknowledge the SMCT of Naga. Madam Jeanette De Vera, ma'am, thank you for your accommodation. And the former president, nahiling ko po ngunyan, digdi sa tuyang VIP seat, ang former president po kang MCCI, Kuya Boy Aman. Good morning, sir. And of course, I would like to acknowledge also the presence of the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce Board of Directors. And before I forgot, I would like also to acknowledge the people behind the success of this event. The MCCI staff, Pichi, Roderick, salamat sa Indo, Architect Bolo, and of course, the event organizer, Ma'am Lian Montemayor, and the program coordinator, the event organizer, again, the group of Miss Jen Castillo, and for the second time, the event chair for the Best of Bicol, my fellow director, Director Emeline Salgado. Congratulations for the job well done. And bago ako magpaaram, I would like, this is a special mention, of course, the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce President, Mr. Mario Villanueva. May I request everybody to please greet and let's sing a happy birthday to Pres Mario. Maestro. Pres. Happy birthday. Diretso lang. Meron pa. Diyan ka lang mo. Press, diyan ka muna. Mag-wish ka pa. Press, wish mo.
Ang wish ko sa ating mga kababayan, sa ating syudad, is a progressive Naga to maintain its continuous progress through the leadership of ang ating mayor at ating mga kagawad. Sana ay another 3 years para maging 9 years ang kanilang mga service, para matapos ang kanilang mga vision. Sa atin namang Metro Naga Chamber, magpatuloy ang ating magandang samahan. Nakabangon tayo, no? Magmula ng pandemic, we were a bit disorganized ourselves, and then we put ourselves together, and here we are now, taking off with all the advocacy that we want. Each and everyone have their own advocacy, so I wish everyone to reach whatever dreams we have, no? For ourselves, for our family, and for the city of Naga's businesses. A business of one is a business for all, no? Kaya pag unlad ng isa, unlad ang lahat. At sana nga, ang Naga ang maging the best place to live in. So maraming salamat and enjoy the rest of the day. Talagang sinamantala ko na ang araw na ito ay birthday ko. Di nakalibre. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, Pres. Happy birthday, Pres Mario. And of course, the South Luzon Governor of PCCI, no less than my kuya, my good friend, Governor Ferdinand Doncia. Thank you, sir. And to all the stakeholders of Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce, maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. This is EJ Guason, the BBM Chairman for 2022. Enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you, and maray na aga po sa Indugabos.
All right, thank you so much once again to Mr. EJ.M. Guazon, the chairman of Bicol Business Month 2022, as well as the Vice President for Programs and Projects of MNCCI. Maraming salamat indeed. MNCCI is a game changer and a huge help for every Bicolano across not only the Philippines but to the rest of the world. And once again, to our MNCCI President Mario Villanueva, happiest birthday, sir. Ayan, so hindi lang po tayo live dito sa SM Sirinaga, ladies and gentlemen, but we are also live in Facebook. Ayan po, so tungo lang po tayo sa IMJ Interactive official Facebook page, Bicol Region's premier and pioneering live multimedia company as our official live streaming partner. Maraming salamat po sa IMJ Interactive. We are also live in the official Facebook page of MNCCI, Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and the official Facebook page of the Best of Bicol Tourism and Trade Fair. Ayan. And syempre, okay, ang ating event po ngayon, meron tayong mga sorpresa, meron tayong thrilling activities starting today, October 7 hanggang sa October 10. At syempre, you also have the chance to win also a raffle round-trip ticket. Okay po, to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia or sa Jakarta, Indonesia. Of course, provided yan ng ating official carrier, ang Cebu Pacific. So, kailangan nyo lang po, lumibot lang kayo sa aming mga booth dito sa second floor ng SM Sirinaga sa atrium natin. Ayan, and get more chances of acquiring your raffle tickets up until this coming Sunday. Dahil sa closing ceremonies po ng ating Best of Bicol Tourism and Trade Fair, we'll get to know our winner. So more tickets, more chances of winning. Again, either po sa Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia or sa Jakarta, Indonesia. Okay po? And now at this point, ladies and gentlemen, to give us another message, we would like to call in the beloved Mayor of the City of Naga. Let's give a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to Honorable Nelson S. Legacion.
Maray na pagkaaga po sa Tuya Gabos, naggibo po ako nin paagi, nakiulay po ako na ako ng masunod na mataram. Si ikakarasal ko po sa mayor sa office. So bago pa naghalat, naka-schedule si honeymoon ka ito. Pero dahil pwedeng magpahiling sa okasyon na ini, lalong-lalo na birthday. Kan sarong importante pong gayong persona. Digdi po sa tuyang syudad. Naugma ko, and he deserves all the appreciation and praises of the people of Naga because of the very important role that he is playing, not only as president of the Naga College Foundation, and under his presidency, aram ta kung gaano nag-grow, nagdakula ang Naga College Foundation. Siring man as president of the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Kaya subago dahil ako makatubod na 72 anyos na, garo man lang 27. Palakpakan ta po liwat, Pres Mario Villanueva. And of course, let me acknowledge the presence of the other officials of the City of Naga. We have with us the chairman of the Committee on Trade, Industry, and Economic Enterprise. Kaibanan po nindo, your own Councilor Joe Perez. Yaon man po si Councilor Attorney Badong del Castillo, and Councilor Dodit Beltran. Siyempre si Engineer Boy Aman. Sana si Pangaturugan Ming Industrial Park mangyari na. And that will help a lot the economy of our city. Allow me also to acknowledge the Regional Governor, PCCI Bicol, my friend, Mr. Ferdinand Don Sia. The owner of SM City Naga, si Ma'am Ningning De Vera. Mayo man masumbong. Naka-video. Baadi, kuya ka ma-promote. And our Miss Bicolandia 2022, Miss Rema Adacodin. Ayan, i-acknowledge na tayaon. I understand, yaon si Jay, the Provincial Director of DTI. Sa satuya po, kabus, dahil na ako madagdag pa, sa pag-acknowledge, sa liwat po, marhay na pagkaaga. Let me just confirm what earlier was mentioned by Pres Mario Villanueva. Ako po, pigsusubaybayan ko po si numero before, during the Peña Francia Fiesta, and after. Totoo po si sinabi niya. Dahil po nagkaigwan nin COVID surge. Si numero na maintain ta po, single digit. Meaning, whatever we do, yaon na po talaga yan, ang COVID. It is up to us to determine our fate to go to what direction that we want our city to go. Kaya, kung manunutaran po nindo, kung pwede lang ani, dahil na ako nag-face mask. Mag-face mask, umayo ang mahalaga, bakunado ka. Igwa kang protection. Kung tatamaan ka, tatamaan ka. Ang mahalaga, handa ka. Handaan sa imong hawak. Dahil pwedeng padagos kitang mabuhay sa takot. Ta sa totoo lang, kung tutuuson, ako po baga si mas nakaprontera sa gabos. Lalong-lalo na kan kasagsagan sa COVID-19. Pero nabaritaan po nindo na nagpositibo ako sa COVID-19. Diba, dae? So, depende. So, let us face this COVID-19 with more conviction, with passion about the individual things that we do in our respective lives. And in connection with the Bicol Businessman, we are glad to see once again the celebration of the unique industry, colorful tradition, strong character, and rich culture of the Bicolano people as our exhibitors in the different business and events from all over the Bicol region coming together in this best of Bicol tourism and trade fair. So thank you to our participating exhibitors for joining us in this endeavor of promoting the best of Bicol. This is one good opportunity to both rekindle and promote our identity as Bicolanos as we showcase in this 4-day event our food, places, products, celebrations, literature, feats in the film and other industries, and many more. As we are now working on the recovery of our local economy from the negative impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic. This is also a good platform for our micro, small, and medium enterprises and budding entrepreneurs and practitioners in the business, events, and tourism industries to connect their products, services, and activities to a larger market and establish linkages and partnerships. As we saw how these industries were largely affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. So, we wish to thank as well the men and women behind the staging of this fair. Our friends in the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry for giving our people the opportunities for cultural, socio-cultural, and economic gains. With the conduct of events as this, we are hopeful that this will ably serve as an avenue for increased support and patronage of our Bicolano products, services, scenic places, culture, heritage, local talents, and more towards our improved business activities and creation of more jobs and employment opportunities for the continued revitalization of our local economy, cultural and socio-cultural development, and more better promises for our people. So congratulations in the successful start of this 4-day trade fair, and all the best to all our participating exhibitors and our practitioners in the business, events, and tourism industry. Diyos mabalos, marhay na pag-aaga.
Alright, once again, Diyos mabalos rin po, Honorable Nelson Legacion, our beloved mayor for the city of Naga. And of course, the city government of Naga, maraming salamat po as our partner and partner din ng Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Maraming salamat. Once again, to all our organizers, partners, and sponsors, we would like to thank the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry in partnership with the city government of Naga, supported by the Tourism Promotions Board Philippines and the Department of Tourism Region 5. Maraming salamat, lalong-lalo na po sa Tourism Promotions Board Philippines, who is the official marketing arm of the Department of Tourism in support of the different tourism activities and events all over the Philippines. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Of course, we would like to thank the SM City Naga, Naga College Foundation, the Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Cebu Pacific, maraming salamat, Enjoy Realty, Big's Diner, Avenue Plaza Hotel, Savage Mind, PCCI, HRDF, and the Asia Foundation with their ABC Plus Advancing Basic Education in the Philippines project. Maraming salamat. A while ago, I've mentioned that starting today up until October 10, ngayong darating pong Lunes, we are celebrating the artistry of Bicolanos to be proud of our rich and vibrant culture, and at the same time, to celebrate our the best of chocolates that we have. May cacao making po tayo, and our Bicol literature, which will happen on October 10. Maraming salamat po. Alright, at this point, we will be watching a video message, ladies and gentlemen, coming from the Regional Director of the Department of Tourism to express his support and to extend his gratitude to MNCCI and to all of us. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all watch the video message of Regional Director Irby B. Aguas.
Good morning and congratulations Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce. Siyempre sa aking idol at talagang kumpadre ang presidente, si Idol Doc Mario Villanueva at sa lahat po ng officers ng Metro Naga. Alam niyo po ang Metro Naga ito yung grupo talagang sumugal sa akin during my appointment last year. Kayo po yung unang lumapit talaga sa akin at nakipag-usap. And kayo rin po ang pinakauna na nagbigay buhay nung pandemya. The best of Bicol last year, kayo po talaga yung nag-spark ng restart here in the Bicol region. At gumaya na po lahat. At talagang kayo yung naging inspirasyon sa ganitong mga kaganapan. Nais ko rin pong batiin ang aking idolo, ang mayor ng Naga City, Mayor Nelson. Sayang, wala po ako dyan at malayo ako. Dito ako ngayon sa probinsya ng Masbate. And of course, to the energetic at bagong idol ko, si Governor Luigi. At nakikita ko na ang probinsya ng Camarines Sur talagang nasa mabuting kalagayan ngayon when it comes to tourism. Si Governor talaga, nakita ko yung kanyang interest when it comes to tourism. So, talagang go na talaga ang Metro Naga for this kickstarting the booming industry of tourism in the Bicol region. So, sa lahat po talaga ng bumubuo ng Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, talagang yung saludo po ang opisina ng Department of Tourism Region 5. Kaya I really pity myself not to be there, to be with you para makachika. Alam niyo naman, non-stop ang ating usapan pag andyan ako. Kaya nangihinayang talaga ako. But then, alam niyo naman na andyan lagi ako sa likod at sumusuporta sa anumang mga advocacy ng Metro Naga. So, again, may congratulations at sa lahat po na nag-participate. Thank you so much and wag po kayong magsawa. Marami pa po tayong mga gagawin for the Bicol region. Mabuhay po kayo, Diyos mga balos. Mabuhay po ang Metro Naga. Salamat po.
Thank you so much, Regional Director Irby B. Aguas of the Department of Tourism, for showing your full support in this Best of Bicol Tourism and Trade Fair by Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Once again po, ladies and gentlemen, hindi lang tayo live dito sa SM City Naga, but we are also live in Facebook. So let's just visit the official Facebook page of IMJ Interactive, our official live streaming partner. Together, of course, live din po tayo sa Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry and the Best of Bicol official Facebook pages. And now to spice things up, ladies and gentlemen, we will be having an intermission number. Let's give it up for the USI Dance Troupe.
Sarong bangkit sa higdaan, nakadangon
Once again, thank you so much to USI Dance Troupe. Another special intermission number will be given to us by Cáceres Coral. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Sinasaktan kasama'y laging luha. Marahil nga hindi kami ang tanging pinagpala ng may nalang dito sa balat ng lupa. Sinong mapalad? Sino ang kaawa-awa? Kami bang halos ang buhay ay inialay sa bansa? Bagong bayani ng sanata ay luha. Bigyan naman ninyo kami kahit na konting awa. Mayroon pa bang naghihintay sa isang katulad ko? Mayroon pa bang pag-asa na lumigaya sa mundo? Sana'y di na maulit ang isang katulad ko. Sana ng iba'y tinubos ko. Sinong mapalad? Sino ang kaawa-awa? Kami bang halos ang buhay ay inialay sa bansa? Bagong bayani ng sanata ay luha. Bigyan naman ninyo kami kahit na konting awa. Bagong bayani ng sanata ay luha. Bigyan naman ninyo kami kahit na konting awa. Sinong mapalad? Sino ang kaawa-awa? Kami bang halos ang buhay ay inialay sa bansa? Bagong bayani ng sanata ay luha. Bigyan naman ninyo kami kahit na konting awa.
Nanoy ito na pagmasdan. Ay ko malilingaw
Alright, once again, maraming salamat to our special intermission numbers given to us by USI Dance Troupe and Caceres Coral. Palakpakan naman po ulit natin sila, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give them a resounding applause for their performances. Of course, it only shows how talented Bicolanos are. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyo. And, of course, once again, we would like to say na meron po tayong raffle draw this coming Sunday during the closing ceremonies of the Best of Bicol Tourism and Trade Fair. Ayan po, so kung meron po kayong chance, lumibo tayo sa ating mga booths and you'll be able to acquire your raffle tickets and you have the chance to get a round-trip ticket either sa Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia or sa Jakarta, Indonesia. Of course, this is provided by Cebu Pacific, our official carrier. Maraming salamat po. And now, to give us another message, ladies and gentlemen, we are very much honored that we were graced by His presence. Please welcome the Regional Governor of PCCI Bicol. Let's give a resounding applause to Mr. Ferdinand D. Shah.
Good morning pa po patan sa Indo ka boss. Hello. Inot na inot po. Mataonggalan po kita sa Hello. Sa mga tayo po yaon nga hindi. Kasi bago po yun si Mayor Nelson Legason, Councilor Joe Perez, Provincial Director J. Ablan, Provincial Director Pat Felizmenyo, our President, the birthday boy, Mario C. Villanueva. Medyo po nakakalungkot lang, tamayo si Governor Luigi Villaperte. Kundi po kompleto po kita ngunyan yaon si Mario saka si Luigi. Kaya lang, so sisingilon ta po si Governor Villaperte day po gayo kompleto ang aldaw tamayo sa ngunyan. Ano po? Yaon din po si kasubago si mayo na po gusto ko rin po i-mention ang mga directors kang Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce. Pero bago po yan, i-acknowledge ko po ang mabuot na General Manager kang SM Naga. Sabi po nga ni Mayor, ang owner, si Madam Ning de Vera. Palakpakan taman po si Madam Ning. Aram po nindo kadtong mga 2, 3, 4 years ago kang ako naging chairman po kaning event kang Bicol Businessman. Yan po talaga ang SM para mag-partner po sa Tuya. Dahil po nagdududuwang isip, permi pong suportado para po sa sektor kang negosyo. Ano po? Kaya thank you very much po, Ma'am Ning and SM City Naga. Sabi ko po nga, i-mention ko po ang mga directors kang Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry aram ta po sinda po ang nagpaparalapigot kaibanan ang satuyang presidente na maging successful po ang sa indang term. Ano po? Inot na inot po, i-mention ko po si Madam Flor Asanya, si Director Jun Bihag, Director VP Emerson Guason, Director Joke Santua, Director Sheikh Bulaong, Director Jun Ocol, Director Jude Belba, Director Russell Puwatan, and Director Acela Cruz. Ayan po si EVP, Director Danny De Leon. Kupakanta po si Madam si VP Danny. Ano po? And of course, yung po sa tuyang magayuno na maray na Miss Bicolandia, si Rima, anak ko din. Pero di ko po sa aki. Ang apelido niya lang po talaga, anak ko din. Baka mapasala po na nadangog nagtaram ako, di ko po sa aki. Ano po? Yun lang po yan. Pero yaon po ako idiyo para magtaong mensahe, pero bako po para sa kuya. Dapat po ang matao po ko tang mensahe idiyo, si President ng Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry na si President George Barcelon. Pero dahil po nga ni, mayo man po siya pigtaong mensahe sa ko, kaya mensahe ko na lang ang ipatatao ko sa indongo niyan. Ano? Aram po nindo, sa sarong lugar po, importante po ang tabangan. O kumbaga, dapat nag-work hand in hand ang mga iba-ibang sektor sa ang local government. Ano po? Di po yan magiging successful ang maski ano man na iribaanan or ano man na project. Pag halimbawa nadadagog lang sarong lado lang. Ano po? Sa example po, di man po pwede, di man makakagibo ni mga ordinances ang local government kung may di ninda nadadagog ang side kang business sector. So, very important po na kumbaga inline po ang mga plano po kang local government sa kakang iba-ibang sektor. Ano po? Sa parte po kang Philippine Chamber of Commerce, kami po nauugma na may mga araw po kaniyong mga aktibidades na pigkakandak ang mga Chamber of Commerce. Kaya, kumbaga, kung ang ibang chamber, panalbingan na po ninda ang Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry dahil po ang MNCCI yearly po iniginigibo and yearly man po very successful and at the same time, kumbaga, nag-level up permi ang sa indang mga activities. Ano po? So, ini pong Best of Bicol na iniyo, kumbaga, poon pa lang po ini kang month-long activity kang Bicol Business Month. Kadakol pa pong masurunod, diyan po dyan ang Aspire, diyan po dyan ang Farmers Forum ni Director Flor, may car show pa po, and then, etc. Kadakol pa pong ibang pwede ta pong abangan. Ano po? Pero ang pinaka-importante po, kita po nagkakandak po ideyo para ma-promote na sa tuyang mga produkto and at the same time to attract also investors that will invest sa lugar ta. Para mas lalo po kitang maging progresibo, mas lalo po kita makatauning mga empleo sa mga taong nangaipon ng trabaho. Ano po? So, again po, I would like to congratulate the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, all the board of directors headed by our president, President Mario, the birthday boy, Villanueva. Ano po? Sabi ko po nga at yan, imbitaran ko kiraray si Governor Luigi para maging complete po ang aldaw ni President. Ano po? Again, sana po suportaran ta po ang mga araw kaniyong mga event. Nagpaparasarakit man po ang mga tao para kumbaga lalong makabalik po kita sa dati tang kinatudan. Ano po? Of course may mga pwede na kitang i-adapt na mga paagi katong nakaaging nananood ta katong nakaaging pandemya, pero dyan lang po kumbaga na papailing lang po na very resilient po talaga ang mga Bicolano. Ano po? Lalo na mga negosyanteng Bicolano. Again, thank you very much po and congratulations again.
Maraming salamat din po, Mr. Ferdinand Disha, the Regional Governor of PCCI Bicol. Maraming salamat po. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to give us a background and to give us an idea kung ano nga ba talaga ang Best of Bicol Tourism and Trade Fair, we've prepared a video presentation for all of you. So I'm inviting everyone, let's all watch the Best of Bicol.
Multi-awarded actress Nora Honor and veteran opera artist Fides Cuyugan Asensio are finally declared as national artists for 2022 after years of being bypassed. Mario Dumawal reports.
Walang himala! Ang himala ay nasa puso ng tao! Nasa puso nating lahat!
After 8 years of waiting, actress Nora Honor was finally named as one of the 8 national artists by Malacanang Friday night. She is the recipient of the prestigious honor for Film and Broadcast Arts. Along with screenwriter and novelist Ricardo Riquili, the new Order of National Artists is based on the joint recommendation of the National Commission for Culture and the Arts and the Cultural Center of the Philippines of exceptional Filipinos who have made distinct contributions to the development of Philippine arts and culture.
My brother is not a pig!
In her moment of vindication, Honor thanked her family and supporters who struggled to convince the awards jury that she deserves the honor. She was twice bypassed for the National Artist Award in 2014 and 2018. Lee also paid tribute to all his patrons who stood by him ever since he left his hometown in Daet to pursue his dream in Manila before martial law. Lee said he never stopped writing about the ironies of life to open the minds of the reading public.
All my bags are packed, I'm ready to go. I'm standing here outside your door. I hate to wake you up to say goodbye, but the dawn is breaking, it's early morn. The taxi's waiting, he's blowing his horn. Already I'm so lonesome, I could cry. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. I'm leaving on a jet plane. I don't know when I'll be back again. Oh babe, I hate to go. There's so many times I've let you down, so many times I've played around. I tell you now, but they don't mean a thing. Every place I go, I think of you. Every song I sing for you. When I come back, I'll wear your wedding ring. So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. I'm leaving on a jet plane. I don't know when I'll be back again. Oh babe, I hate to go. Now the time has come to leave you one more.
Ang mukha ng pag-ibig at katatagan. Ang gintong morena ng isla ng Tawi-Tawi. Ang nag-iisang superstar, Nora Honor.
Kaya ako babalik sa Singapore. Ayoko maging janitor pa rin si Nakambal pagdating nila. Ayoko maging alila si Russell na gaya ko. Ayoko na ng ganitong buhay. No, I didn't kill anybody. Biktima lamang mo siya ng isang frame. I didn't kill anybody! pala. Mahigit 20 taon mo kami tiniis. Lumayas ka! Hayop! Hayop! Bakit nagpakita ka ba? Matagal kang nawala. Mahigit 20 taon.
Lumi, natakot ako. Natakot ako bumalik dito sa mga kayo sa kahirapan. Lumi, sandali!
Kulang pa yan. Sa bawat buwan at taong pinag-isip mo ko. Kung buhay ka pa o patay na.
Hanggang sa huling sandali. Hanggang...
Paano ako?
E di, babalik ka na sa inyo. Babalik ka na sa mga magulang mo. Pag-alis ko, pagbibili ko na itong bahay.
Pag-alis. Gado, hindi na ako makakabalik sa amin.
Eh, anong gagawin ko, Bona? Ikaw ang pilit na tumipilit na magsumiksik dito.
Saan ako pupunta?
Ewan ko.
Gardo, hindi na ako makakabalik sa amin.
Domestic helper sa Canada, ha?
Iwan niyo nga!
Sa panahon ngayon, hindi mo alam kung sino basta pwede tumira sa'yo.
Alright, there you have it. We paid tribute to all of our Bicolano artists. Palakpakan naman po natin ang lahat ng mga artista na merong Bicolano blood and who hailed, of course, from Bicol region. And kasama dyan, the one and only, our superstar, Ms. Nora Honor. Kaya naman talaga nakaka-proud na maging isang Bicolano, most especially in terms of film and acting, talagang hindi tayo magpapatalo. And now, ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, we will give the floor to the woman of the hour, the Vice President for Finance of Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and the event chair of the Best of Bicol Tourism and Trade Fair for the second year. Please help me welcome and give a round of applause to Ms. Emmy Salgado.
Good morning. Maraming salamat sa pagdalo, and at this point, we just like to emphasize the culture, the arts of Bicolanos. So wala na pong magiging kagaya ni Nora Honor, wala na pong magiging kagaya ni Ricky Lee na magka-capture po ng sining at kultura na sasalamin sa buong lipunan natin. So, we are happy to produce this para po itaas yung consciousness, lalong-lalo na ng mga kabataan sa mga sining at kultura natin. So, matagal natin pinag-isipan, ano ang kinalaman ng arts and culture sa tourism? So, ako rin, hindi ko masagot. Sabi ko, paano ko i-link ang arts and culture sa tourism? So, I dial a friend, historian from UP. So sabi ko, nahihirapan ako, gusto kong ma-appreciate ng mga tao. Kung the best of Bicol are the Bicolanos. Sabi nga ni Carl Buenaflor, nung nag-speech siya last Best of Bicol is us. Tayong mga Bicolanos ang Best of Bicol. So ang sagot po ni Marco Lagman ay, ang culture and arts can be likened daw to a photo album. So para daw tong photo album, they serve as time capsules of who we are, what makes us unique, and what we are capable of doing. And since our photo album, mababalik-balikan natin, we relive, we look back, we enrich it. So ano ang mga artists? So ang papel pala ng mga artists ay sila po yung guardians ng photo album. So, nililift up nila yung sining o yung arts natin into a higher level. So, magandang halimbawa is yung inspiration na meron tayo ngayong taon na 2 national artists na galing po sa Daet Camarines Norte at sa Iriga Camarines Sur. So, maraming salamat po sa pag-appreciate ng Best of Bicol, and we celebrate the artistry of all the Bicolanos, and we push for the consciousness para po mas magiging meaningful yung pagpunta natin sa mga lugar. Kasi especially po ang Naga, konti lang naman po ang mga landscapes natin. Wala naman tayong dagat, wala naman tayong mga pwedeng puntahan pang iba. But we are very rich in material culture. Siyempre po, di ba? We are a pilgrim city. So, nung nagpunta nga ako kay Savage Mind, dun ko lang nakita, meron palang artist na writer na Luis Cabalquinto, na since, 1850s, sineselebrate niya sa Europe. Dinodrawing or sineselebrate ng ibang mga international artist, pero hindi tayo conscious. Taga-Magaraw po siya. So yung ngayon, habang sinushow yung mga Bicolano artist na may blood, ang daming sinasabi ni EJ, ni Sir Efren. Ito pa lang si Rex Cortez, from Bicol din. Ito pa lang yung mga Padilla Brothers na hindi pa nakasali. Sino pa? Si Pilar Pilapil. So maganda na iaangat natin yung consciousness natin sa ating arts and culture. So maraming salamat, and stay tuned for more cultural events in the coming 3 days. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and Diyos mabalos po, Ms. Emmy Salgado, the event chair of the Best of Bicol Tourism and Trade Fair for Bicol Business Month 2022. At tama nga yung sabi ni Ms. Ems, na we should celebrate the best of Bicol, which is tayong lahat, tayo mga Bicolano, our talents, our rich and vibrant culture, our cuisine, our food, and everything that we can offer, not only in the Philippines, but to the rest of the world. So once again, at this moment, before we finally end, allow me to thank, of course, our Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry in partnership with the City Government of Naga, supported by the Tourism Promotions Board Philippines and the Department of Tourism Region 5. Maraming salamat po. To SM City Naga, Naga College Foundation, the Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Cebu Pacific, our official carrier, Big's Diner, Avenue Plaza Hotel, Savage Mind, PCCI, HRDF, and the Asia Foundation with their Advancing Basic Education in the Philippines project. At sa lahat po ng mga MNCCI directors na narito ngayon, to Mr. Ferdinand Siya, our Regional Director of PCCI Bicol, we would also like to thank the overall organizer of the 18th Bicol Business Month for 2022, Miss Lian Montemayor Zuniga. Maraming salamat po. And sa ating Miss Bicolandia, si Rima Adacoden. Ayan, maraming salamat for gracing our event. Kaya PDJ of DTI Camsur, marami pong salamat. And to Miss Jeanette De Vera, the mall manager of SM Sirinaga. Thank you so much, ma'am, for accommodating us. And of course, kaya Honorable Joe Perez na nandito pa rin ngayon. And syempre, our directors, MNCCI directors, maraming salamat. The chairman of Bicol Business Month 2022, Mr. EJ Guazon, maraming salamat po. And our event chair, of course, for Best of Bicol Tourism and Trade Fair, Miss Emmy Salgado. And now, hindi lang po ngayong araw, ladies and gentlemen, merong event because today we are celebrating the Bicolano artists. Bukas naman po, we will be having a celebration of Sorsogon, our Kasanggayahan Festival here at the mall. On October 9, meron po tayong chocolate show and cacao making the best of chocolates in Bicol region. And on October 10, we will celebrate Bicol Literature at Savage Mind. Let's Read Bicol Project. Maraming salamat. So let's enjoy the rest of the day. And once again, thank you so much for having me. This is the Best of Bicol Tourism and Trade Fair. Maraming salamat po.
Sa lumbang sa higaan, nakadango ako, hunilan sa lungganggang, yanubago.
We would also like to thank IMJ Interactive, Bicol Region's premier and pioneering live multimedia company, the official live streaming partner of the Best of Bicol Tourism and Trade Fair. Special thanks as well to Multicast Management Consultancy Services headed by Ms. Jen Castillo and the Tech Services for LED Visuals care of Sir Paul Christian Abad.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the Metro Naga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, The city government of Naga and SM City Naga would like to thank the partners, organizers, and sponsors of this event. Department of Tourism Region 5 Bicol, Tourism Promotions Board Philippines, Exciting Bicol, Travel, Enjoy, Respect. It's more fun in the Philippines. SM City Naga, Naga College Foundation, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Cebu Pacific, Big's Diner, Avenue Plaza Hotel, Savage Mind, Arts, Book Cinema, PCCI HRDF, Hotel Sogo, the Asia Foundation, Advancing Basic Education in the Philippines. IMJ Interactive, the Bicol region's premier and pioneering live multimedia company for the live streaming of this event and the official live streaming partner of 18th Bicol Business Month, the best of Bicol Tourism and Trade Fair 2022. And likewise, we would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to the sponsor and exhibitors. Bidi Bidi Bao Camarines Sur, Bigs Incorporated, Mayon Perfection Confectionery, Most Reliable Metal Industries, Enjoy Realty and Development Corporation, Naitas, Lotus Blue Hotel Naga, Avenue Plaza Hotel, Hotel Sogon Naga, Isarog Beauty Botanics, SMDC, Calabanga Tourism Office, Naga City ACTO, Iriga City Tourism's Office headed by Luisito Tagduran, Jess Gonzalez, and Regine Elcano, Baao Tourism Office, Asog Vineyard and Agri Resort, Bicol Cacao Growers Association, Pichelitos Resort, Kaagapay sa Pagbabago VPA Association of Naga City, Naga City Farmers Corner, High Value Crops Producers of Naga City, Evolution Salon and Day Spa by Russell Puwatan, Pacific Cross Bihag Burgers, Aping's Food Products, Bobcar Food Products, Edna's Bed Shop, Personal Brand, Mom Opel's Prints and Crafts, Naturals Food Products, Sares Pilinuts Candies and Pasalubong, Innovators Guild,